first light of dawn breaks over an endless open highway. The world is still, the air alive with the scent of new beginnings. From that golden horizon, a silhouette emerges, sleek, confident, unstoppable. It's not just a van, it's a revolution in motion. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Van, where adventure meets luxury and every sunrise feels like a new chapter. Welcome back to Car Flair, where journeys aren't just traveled, they're felt. Today we bring you something extraordinary, the Toyota Motorhome Camper Van 2026 edition. A vehicle that doesn't just move you, it transforms the way you move through life. Get ready because what you're about to see isn't a simple road trip. It's a taste of freedom, re-engineered. From the outside, this machine is pure sophistication sculpted in metal. Toyota's Aerocraft body design gives it a smooth, flowing silhouette, aerodynamically crafted to slice through wind with ease. The front end glows with a futuristic touch, the Toyota emblem illuminated subtly against a bold grille, flanked by blade-style matrix LED headlights that shimmer like crystal in daylight. Every detail tells a story, from the metallic gray finish that dances under sunlight to the sleek rear LED bar that wraps around like a signature of motion. Even the dual sliding doors open with a whisper, responding to the softest touch. And those 19-inch diamond-cut alloys? They anchor the van with an athletic stance that exudes confidence and control. Compared to its 2024 predecessor, this 2026 upgrade is a masterpiece of progress. 20% lighter, 15% more aerodynamic, and built for better grip and balance on every curve. Underneath the sculpted beauty lies raw power, a 3.5-liter twin-turbo hybrid V6, combined with dual electric motors pushing out an astonishing 520 horsepower and 720 lb-ft of torque. Paired with Toyota's eShift 10-speed automatic, it delivers buttery smooth transitions whether you're gliding through city streets or conquering mountain passes. The intelligent hybrid system continuously adapts, maximizing efficiency, balancing electric serenity and gasoline muscle for the perfect drive. It's not just faster, it's smarter. You'll feel 30% more range, smoother torque distribution, and the all-new active balance suspension that absorbs every bump and ripple. The experience? Like floating. Quiet, composed, and endlessly smooth. Step inside, and the atmosphere changes. The lounge greets you with an aura of calm and craftsmanship. Vegan leather recliners, wood-textured panels, and adaptive ambient lighting that matches your mood. Morning glow, evening warmth, or a soft starlit hue, every moment feels curated. The swivel recliners encircle a floating walnut veneer table, surrounded by panoramic windows that turn every landscape into a living painting, whether it's a family breakfast or a sunset coffee by the coast. This cabin whispers luxury without shouting it. The kitchen continues the theme of intelligent design. Compact, elegant, and endlessly functional. A dual induction cooktop, self-cooling fridge, and foldable sink keep the space sleek yet capable. Overhead cabinets glide open with a touch, revealing storage that makes this compact space feel limitless. The mix of brushed aluminum and soft oak brings balance. Simplicity meets sophistication in true Toyota fashion. The bathroom redefines what's possible in a camper van. Think boutique spa on wheels, rainfall shower with digital temperature memory, eco water circulation, a backlit mirror, and soft, neutral tones that soothe the senses. It's practical, beautiful, and refreshingly modern. Move to the rear, and you'll find your sanctuary, a queen-size bed that unfolds with the push of a button. Wrapped in breathable memory foam for deep, restful sleep. Ambient lighting adjusts to your comfort, while the panoramic skylight opens to reveal the stars. Imagine lying back after a long drive, feeling the world fade into quiet stillness under a vast, open sky. That's not just travel, that's belonging. And when it's time to take the wheel, the driver's cabin welcomes you into the future. A curved OLED display stretches across the dash, merging navigation, entertainment, and system diagnostics into one fluid interface. Steering is feather-light yet precise, guided by AI-assisted control. Toyota's SafeDrive 360-degree system uses cameras and radar to map your surroundings in real time, ensuring safety without distraction. Add adaptive cruise, lane assist, and the serenity of a noise-canceled cabin, and you have the most effortless drive of your life. Every update from 2024 is intentional. Smarter AI, lighter materials, better range, more power, and interiors so quiet they redefine peace. It's not just innovation, it's evolution. As twilight descends and the van glides through the fading light, its headlights pierce the dusk, a beacon of freedom moving toward the horizon. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome Camper Van isn't just transportation, it's transformation. It's power wrapped in peace, intelligence wrapped in design, and luxury born from purpose. For those who dream of living beyond boundaries, who chase sunsets instead of schedules, this isn't just a van. It's home. If this journey stirred something in you, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, because at CarFlare, the road isn't just a path. It's where the soul comes alive. Subscribe for more dream machines.